Okie dokie, guys. Well, my friend has given me 3 more suggestions to react to. So this will be obviously 3 different reaction videos, but we're just going to go ahead and start with the first one. I've seen this type of animation before, but I haven't seen these particular ones as far as I know. Sonic I might have, but I don't think I did. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. Of course, since we're doing Pokemon, got the Pokemon shirt representing. So let's see. I don't want it. No. Actually, wait. Which is your favorite chocolate brand? Oh, Twix, of course. Caramel, cookie, and chocolate. Let's get it. Sorry. Hold up. Theater mode. There we go. Yeah. Alright, here we go. It's raining Pokemon. See, the thing is, I don't even know what Battle Royale. Well, I know what a Battle. What the?
It's showtime.
What? What's that? Warlord can fly? How? When? Where? Bring on the thunder! Bruh, wait. Hold up. You only a minute and 23 seconds in. Hold on, 1 second. Okay, sorry about that interruption. My best friend had needed my assistance with something. Ew, that looks so disgusting. What's even happening? I kind of forgot where we left off at. I just remember I saw a freaking Warlord get incinerated by a lightning thunder from Electrifier, and now I'm seeing some weird ghostly gas coming out of this. I forgot what that Pokemon's called, like Slurpuff? I don't know, it doesn't even matter. Let's just keep going.
Oh my god!
Oh! What?
Disgusting!
Blastoise!
Oh snap! Oh snap! Look at it! That's what I'm talking about, Fahrenheit. Show what the deal is!
Now you've done it.
That's running, Fahrenheit!
See!
The champion's still. Okay.
Oh no!
Dynamo?
What the?
Yo, protect! From 3 awesome psychic Pokemon. 4 awesome. Oh.
Hit him, baby!
Dang, that's messed up. Good luck. That's creepy. Four Pokemon remain.
I won!
Ditto!
Ah, so Ditto wins. This time.
Professor, what just happened?
That was a simulation to see which Pokemon would win in a battle royale, based on the Pokedex entries you kids have been collecting for me. But now that I think of it, maybe I shouldn't have children gather my Pokedex data anymore. I need to study these stats more. I'll let my new assistant, Loxton, explain the rest.
Cool.
Hey, I'm Loxton. Allow me to explain the scientific implications of what you just witnessed in that battle royale.
Okay.
All you gotta do is click right here.
Some of that I actually kind of understood because I do know some Pokédex entries, but to be honest, I did not expect what I just witnessed. That's interesting. Ultimate Battle Pokemon Battle Royale with science. But yeah, we're gonna be watching this.
What does an electric type Pokemon say when they get gassy while drinking milk? I'm Zapdos intolerant.
Is this one of those ads that makes...
Don't judge me, I love puns, okay? Puns is what makes the world go round. Apology. Puns are amazing. I don't care what anyone says. Puns are awesome. Puns are lovely. And that was awesome. Anyway, so thanks for watching the first one. We have 2 more to go. I'm going to be on 2 other videos that will be posted whenever I feel like it. Love you all. See you on the next one.